groupe à la personnalité flamboyante comme The Cure décide de faire un clip, il va de soi que les artisans de l'image ne peuvent se contenter d'illustrer bêtement la chanson du groupe. Nous avons voulu découvrir pour vous l'envers du décor. Une journée durant, nous avons regardé King Pop et son équipe construire la vidéo aujourd'hui célèbre de In Between Days. Le soir venu, il fallait nous rendre à l'évidence. Le rock'n'roll n'est plus l'apanage des seuls artistes, mais bien une manière de voir les choses. Et à l'instar de King Pop, de les filmer.
Filming of a band's video can cause all kinds of headaches for the band concerned.
Pour tous les groupes, le tournage d'un clip vidéo pose un maximum de problèmes et procure pas mal de migraines. Il faut se décider sur un script qui colle, choisir les lieux du tournage. C'est souvent des endroits idiots, comme le toit d'un building, une carrière, ou même une piscine. Par chance, le tournage auquel nous allons assister aujourd'hui se passe dans un vrai studio de cinéma.
In a film studio. The great advantage of filming a video, as they now know, a promotional film in a studio.
L'énorme avantage de tourner en studio, ce qu'on appelle un clip de promotion, est que l'on n'est pas exposé aux intempéries. À l'extérieur, si le vent souffle, on perd la moitié du groupe, les caméramans et tout le reste du matériel.
Also, the other advantage of being in a studio is you can control.
Un autre avantage du studio, très important celui-ci, est qu'on peut idéalement contrôler le son. Ainsi bien sûr que la lumière, grâce à ces énormes projecteurs qui se trouvent à côté de moi. Maintenant, la chanson filmée aujourd'hui s'appelle In Between Days et le groupe, bien sûr, The Cure. Voilà le réalisateur Tim Pop, dans son élément, en plein travail de tournage. L'homme à la guitare, c'est Paul Thompson, un membre fraîchement arrivé au sein de la dernière formation de The Cure. Ce qui est attaché à sa guitare, eh bien c'est une caméra. Surprenant, mais attendons de voir ce qu'ils vont en faire. Non, le mec avec le pull rose n'est pas un membre de The Cure. On est en répétition, donc n'importe qui peut tenir le rôle du pianiste. Il est temps pour nous d'essayer d'y voir plus clair. Aussi, je vais demander à Tim Pop de nous expliquer de quoi il retourne. Dis-nous ce que tu fais exactement.
Well, this bit, it's a bit complex. What I'm trying to do is make it look as, I mean, like basically we couldn't afford a cameraman, right? So like, because these geezers are much too expensive, right? So what we've basically done is I'm trying to film it all as though they're sort of filming it all, right? It's actually a lot more complicated to do it. It looks very simple enough.
Tu veux faire croire qu'il s'amuse à tourner.
Well, sort of thing, you won't ever see a camera in the film or anything, but that's like the essential idea. What I'm also doing, right, I've shot a lot of stuff in colour under ultraviolet light this morning.
Yeah.
So I've got this shot that I'm doing with the camera on the front strapped to their bodies, right, like that, which I've shot in colour and I'm shooting in black and white, and then I'm going to put the two pictures together like that, and then we're going to do some ultraviolet animation over the top of it. So it's quite, it's got
C'est incroyable, ce sont des idées originales.
well, pretty well, we'll call them ideas, more way of life.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You live and breathe it?
Ouais, tu prends ton pied.
I'm there, can't you tell? I'm on the edge.
I mean, you're well involved in it.
Tim, ôte-moi d'un doute. Y a-t-il vraiment quelqu'un qui sait exactement ce qui se passe ici?
No, I have to be a bit like that, you see. No, I think the basic thing is, right, like I do a lot of dodgy shoots, right, but the thing is, yeah, of course, see, look,
We're in trouble again,
yeah,
all right.
absolutely. But no, the basic thing is, you see, if people think that I'm a nutter when I'm doing a shoot, that means it's a good shoot, you see, and they all think, like, if you look around, have a quick look around, like, have a look there, right? Right, look at them, they all think I'm complete nutter, so they do. But you know, that's the skill of it, that's why it's going to look good. That
And then we rang up Grip House, who's doing the gripping around here, and they've been working all weekend trying to get it done for us.
C'est quoi le gripping?
Gripping basically is strapping on the camera to whatever Tim wants it strapped onto. And something like this guitar is very, very difficult.
I can see there's a bracket.
Je vois qu'on a adapté une fixation sur la guitare.
And the weight of the guitar is nothing compared to the weight of the camera. And we had a lot of problems this weekend, and we're getting to work.
You actually have
En fait, vous avez eu peu de temps pour mettre tout ça en place. Vous avez dû travailler toute la nuit.
been working all night, that sort of thing.
Well, the ideas were got together late Friday night, so we had Saturday and Sunday really to get it together, and a little bit of yesterday.
It's been actually
On est mardi aujourd'hui. Vous allez boucler le tournage?
We're definitely going to do it, and I think it's going to work. I mean, so far, so good.
so exciting.
Ah, super.
I think it will work. I mean, it's going to take a while, and this one here, 360 degrees, that's going to be a quite tough one to do. But it will work, and it's going to look fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
They both have to go to the other side, of the table. Stand by, Mark. Okay. Let's get our turn around the way. Okay. Can we just... Alice. Sorry. Okay. Tell me when you want it.
Bien sûr, tout doit être au point quand on tournera la scène. Aussi, il faut répéter encore et encore. Et oui, c'est encore une répétition. Je vous présente l'inimitable Barry Rossiman, l'assistant réalisateur. Ce gentleman a l'air soucieux et à la barbe bleuissante, c'est Chris Ashbrook, le directeur de la photographie. Et voici Hal McDowell, le directeur artistique, artistement appuyé contre un mur.
That's right, isn't it? Yeah, so good, I like that bit. Yeah, that's what I do. So what's it say up there? What was that bit? So I suppose it's quite unique to me because I've never been asked by a record company to make a film. Now the usual way that you go about this is that a record company, say, goes to three people and they say, come up with an idea for the video and they choose the best one. But what I do, which is what I think is fairly unique, I don't know many people who do this, I tend to work with people time and time again, you see. So like I've worked with, like, Paul Weller, the Style Capsule, about 5 or 6 times, Soft Cell like 20 times or something, you know, so I work a lot like that. So in fact it's fairly easy the way I work, because I know a lot of the sort of imagery that people are interested in, those sort of things, you know, we start at a certain level. And what's also great about, because I work with people time and time again, is you can get different flows, different feelings between the videos. You can follow things on, you know, you can come up with an idea and then, say with The Cure we've done that a lot, we start with an idea and then we restate that idea later on in a later video. See, I think a lot of videos suffer from the fact that a person like me, a director, comes along and they happen to want to do this day, you know, they happen to want to do something, they happen to want to see boxes or these weird people looking meaningful, right? They want to see stuff like that. Well, so I sort of try to work a bit differently to that. I listen to the image, because I work with people time and time again, as I say, I know the sort of imagery that they're interested in, so I tend to, you know, I talk work very, very, very closely with people and we develop them together.
Si tout le monde a l'air pressé, autant dire speedé, rien d'étonnant à cela. Le projet ne s'est décidé que 2 jours avant le tournage.
couple of days before they actually went out to shoot it.
Can we try that from down there? No, we can't. We have to do it up there.
It seems to have been a...
Tim, il semble que c'est la dernière ligne droite, l'effort de dernière minute.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing I sort of used to. I think that's part of the excitement of what I do. It's really interesting because what happens, right, you like get a tape, right, on Friday afternoon I hadn't heard this song and I had no ideas for it at all. And then I sat around with my art designer around the area, like we sat around for a couple of hours, got a bit arty and all that, so I had a couple of tea. And then we sort of, and then out of this arty smog came these sort of ideas sort of thing. So that's how it
Des idées. tu les avais dans la tête depuis le début?
Oh no, never, no, none of these at all. They all came from Friday, which is good. Yeah, that's the way we work. So it's good because it makes them fresh, I think.
Tu dis que tu ne veux pas faire de clips bateau. Tu en as marre des plans avec les super gonzesses, les gros nichons, ce genre de choses?
Yeah, well, last year I was doing that sort of thing generally, you know, coming out corridors, that's very much me. I think I really started that style, you know, fast red cars, suspenders, that was me really. That's all me, but I feel very bad about it now because I've obviously influenced the whole thing and it's really gone downhill, you know, I feel really...
Est-ce qu'il y a des groupes qui te disent je veux voir ça, je veux pas voir ci?
I see I've made a lot of films for the Cure, so I know the sort of way they think, right, this is like my fifth one or something, right, so I sort of tend to know the way people think, right, so I know what sort of things, I know what they are essentially, sort of thing.
You're working with...
Tu travailles à nouveau avec King Pop. T'aimes bien le mec?
Which may be a good thing, it may be a bad thing. But with the Cure, it's sort of, I've made a lot of dodgy videos, so I said that like the Cure went to some and thing, okay.
I really like him. I like what he does. So he's colourful, he's inventive. Most inventive director around at the moment, I think. Has been for a while.
Do you
Tu
rely
lui fais confiance pour ses idées ou tu as les tièdes?
Start the idea yourself. Well, what usually happens is we go to him with an idea of what we want the video as a whole to look like, the idea that we want to communicate to people watching it, and then he comes back to us a week later with all his ideas.
The thing is, like, I met with Robert and we both agreed that we didn't want to make a, you know, like running up the corridors, suspenders, hits, all that stuff, right? We didn't want to do that sort of stuff, so we thought we'd do something a bit wilder, something a bit fresher. So he gave me the basic brief, said he wanted it to look wild and fresh, and that, so I sort of interpreted it from then, so I'm going wild.
You've got wild and fresh in
Après, il destroy en 3 jours.
Dodgy joke, now it's not in front of 5 million, it's all out.
well. After a few minutes, dragging drum kits around.
Après avoir traîné la batterie au fond de la pièce, repositionné les lumières et descendu tout un tas de machins du plafond, après avoir fait un ultime réglage général et coincé les musiciens sous le piano, c'est l'heure d'une autre répétition.
Another rehearsal.
Cette fois, c'est la dernière avant la première prise, avec tous les membres du groupe. On doit achever de mettre au point les effets de la caméra fixés aux manches de la guitare. Le moment est venu de vous présenter les stars de cette vidéo, les musiciens de The Cure. Le garçon avec une caméra attachée à sa guitare, c'est Paul Thompson. Le batteur aujourd'hui, c'est Boris Williams, une nouvelle reprise. Et voici bien sûr le patron, Robert Smith. Quant au mec corpulent, coincé derrière le clavier, c'est Lowell Stolker. Ouais, on vient de me virer du studio pour un moment. Enfin, peu importe, puisque tout le monde a été viré. Excepté le groupe, le réalisateur et le caméraman. La raison, ils ont tourné le plan avec la caméra balançoire. On peut mater tout ce qui se passe. Allez, on regarde. Voilà de quoi ça a l'air vu d'ici. Et, bien sûr, vu à travers l'objectif de la caméra fixée au bout de la guitare. Après cette première prise, tout le monde a le droit à une pause. Tout le monde s'égaye dans la nature. Robert d'ailleurs sort en titubant. Tim, tu as des Polaroids, des effets fluo.
Yeah, that's what we did this morning. It's quite wild, isn't it? This is the sort of stuff that's going to be going underneath the black and white bits that you've just seen us shooting.
C'est Paul là-dessous.
That's Paul. Yeah. There's Robert. Simon. Boris. Good old Lawrence, otherwise known as the Beast.
The beat?
La bête, pourquoi?
Oh, I see, right, okay.
Ils ont supporté pas mal de choses aujourd'hui, les musiciens, non? Comme se faire maquiller la tronche hideusement.
They're good, they're pretty easy going.
Oh, I think so, yeah. I mean, I've made lots of, in fact, this one's one of, usually I like to put people through a bit of agony, you know. I think people like to see that sort of thing, you know.
You've suffered for your
Il faut souffrir pour l'art.
Yeah, no, absolutely, yeah.
You've actually been filming with a camera.
Toi-même, Robert, tu as filmé avec une caméra attachée au ventre.
Hard work.
C'était dur?
Yeah. But well, I say it'll be worth it. I hope it's worth it. It probably won't. It probably just look normal after all this.
It won't look as though they're suffering actually in here, but yeah. I mean, I've hung people upside down before and all sorts of things. I'll tell you the worst thing is when you've got one of those curvy ones, you know I'll be swinging the camera because it really does grab you rather badly.
Mais tu t'es bien protégé, tu portes un gant.
Yeah, that's right, well, I've been giving it all that. Yeah.
Nagerie ne t'est jamais arrivé?
Doing a video?
Well, I've got a black eye from this already, actually. Look, if you look there.
Yeah.
If you look there, it started to go black from standing up. When I was doing this ultraviolet bit, I was looking through the camera right now and it was sort of punching me in the face about every 2 seconds. So I think, oh, it's going to be a nice black eye tomorrow.
Hazardous enterprise.
Hasardeuse entreprise. Hasardeuse entreprise.
So about Starship Enterprise. Feed me up, Scotty.
To go to places where no other man was there.
Have you wanted to be a tree for a long time?
Yeah.
Always?
Yeah. Why not? Why shouldn't I want to be a tree? I think it's a great thing to be.
Not literally in the current line of work.
I think trees, you can cut yourself down and sell yourself for a lot of money.
Well, there's no way of that. Seriously, that must have been very uncomfortable to do.
So was it? Actually making that film was the most... I wanted to really expose myself to the thing, that was one reason to do it, there are other reasons. But one of the reasons was to see what it was like to be the other side of the camera. And I believe I make a lot of my people suffer. I believe people who watch videos like to see people suffering. So I would hang people upside down, turn them inside down, make them walk through fire or anything like that, right? Make them, just cover them in water.
As you can see,
Comme vous le voyez,
famously,
Robert et moi, on est très potes.
star of the whole project.
Ah oui, gare à moi, je ne savais pas que Tim avait besoin de Robert. Je sens que je vais me faire engueuler.
He doesn't find me.
Hi
sorry, it's a bit
Bah oui, je sais que c'est pas très fair-play de se coincer à l'heure du thé, c'est ta première pause depuis le début de la journée.
Anyway.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Your role in this is to be not the sweet guy,
L'assistant est censé brailler après tout le monde, non?
the assistant director.
Yeah, well, the role of the assistant, according to the book, the role of the assistant director is to facilitate his director. So his director can be working with the artists or the lighting cameraman, and the assistant director, like, gets everything else organized, the shot set up for him, so to speak. That's what it's supposed to be. Mainly what it is I get paid a lot of money to yell at people.
You like that?
Tu adores ça?
I was built for the job.
Le mec avec la grosse voix, c'est toi.
Yeah, human megaphone.
How are you getting
Et
on?
aujourd'hui, ça boum.
Oh, it's great shoot, working really well. And I mean, we usually don't have 360 degree shoots, you know what I mean? I mean, usually like at least a third of it would be open. So this one's different along those lines, and Tim's always really coming up with crazy shots and things. So, you know, it's like, what?
Tim te fait entièrement confiance pendant qu'il dirige.
Yeah, I mean, he gives me that 30 seconds to set something up, and no, it works really well, as a matter of fact. It's a lot of fun. The team is, you know, really, really good. We got really good people working on it, and the band's really fun, and the track's really nice, so what could a boy ask for more, you know?
Thanks.
Cheers.
Okay, stand by. Come on, you ready, Mark? Silence, set, play. Okay, and sound.
Comme vous pouvez le constater, Barry est le parole de Tim. Et en piste pour la énième répétition. Évidemment, il y a une raison pour que Tim maintienne la caméra à cet endroit-là et qu'elle soit suspendue par des câbles. Non qu'elle soit trop lourde à porter. La réponse, regardez. Voilà pourquoi. Oh. Et voilà le résultat. La caméra balançoire, c'est l'événement de ce clip. Est-ce que ça a posé beaucoup de problèmes?
Stability, really. I mean, the fact that when he throws it away from him, it goes away like a rocket. When it comes back, it sort of charges straight at him. And the temptation is to throw it away from camera, whereas really you should let it go. You just drift away and drift back. So it's quite violent.
The focus on something.
Ça va être très compliqué de garder la mise au point.
Yeah, so you tend to have to split the focus and hope that the focus holds.
How do you test for this?
Comment as-tu contrôlé tout ça?
You have to know. You know what your focus is, yeah.
Il y a eu d'autres problèmes avec la caméra balançoire?
No, probably.
Tu as déjà fait des trucs pareils?
No, it's not quite like that.
Innovative.
L'innovation en marche.
Yeah, really, yeah, this is quite new. I mean, I'm sure other cameramen have done something similar to that I haven't. Something like this, yeah.
As you can see, you don't actually need
Lors d'un tournage, le groupe n'est pas toujours indispensable parce que sa présence est de courte durée par rapport au reste du travail.
the whole scale.
Il faut passer des heures à installer le matos, à nettoyer le plancher, à régler la balançoire, bref, ce genre de choses.
Things like that.
Les mauvaises langues prétendent même que l'on peut se passer totalement du groupe pour réaliser un clip.
Oh, is the art though?
Ah, tu es le directeur artistique. Explique-nous quel est ton job.
Here we go. It's quite conceptual. It's mostly ideas. We have the mechanics to do, filling up the tracks, colouring all of the ultralights. But really, on something like this, I will work on the ideas, on writing the
Avec qui vous conjuguez le mot action à tous les fois.
go is 2 days ago. Yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
Ça a dû être une course contre la montre infernale.
Well, Tim,
Pourrais-tu exécuter n'importe quelle idée de team ou alors suggérer une solution à un problème inconnu?
The way around it. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean we have.
Parle-moi des effets ultraviolets.
Well, that's the first time I worked with that, but it doesn't seem to be a problem. It's mainly a cameraman problem. We just have to paint it first before we hear it work.
colours.
Existe-t-il des couleurs qu'on ne peut utiliser?
Sort of thing. Only certain fluorescent colours work with ultraviolet. Just a pure technical thing. Yeah. But,
Anything else?
Essaies-tu d'injecter tes créations dans tout ça?
sure. I mean, the way it works on a film like this is something like we just bounce ideas off each other, and every idea that we put in we use virtually, once it starts flowing. So this is the first stage of what is going to turn into 2 more weeks post-production, which is all the art department really, lots of animation.
Tu es donc le responsable de l'animation.
Yeah, this is something we've done a lot with. I mean, this is kind of things like Strawberry Switchblade and that kind of things have been animating. We've been doing that kind of post-production animation, which no one else is doing really for about 2 years now. Can you see it all?
Tu as acquis le recul nécessaire.
Just about, yeah.
À une heure hallucinante ce matin, nos potes les Cure tournaient dans cette pièce. La pièce est peinte en noir, avec plein de bidules fluorescents qui pendouillent partout. Des accessoires comme des baguettes de tambour qui sont éclairés. Film au montage. Quel va être le résultat? Une espèce d'effet psychotique. Tu vas balancer la guitare. C'est le moment pseudo-artistique.
It's all been taken up, my son. It is taken up, but I'm a token kind of a guy, do you know what I mean?
Mais alors le groupe ne participe pas à ce plan-là.
No, not actually in this shot. No. I'll tap them all up in bed for a few minutes to let them recover.
Ils l'ont mérité. Toi, tu t'arrêtes jamais.
You get a break at all?
Sure. No, of course I don't. Like it's the crew, right? Down here, still down here. Down there, he's been working until 7 o'clock this morning. Look at him.
It shows.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. That man didn't have a beard this morning. Look at him. Burnt out eyes, look at this classic example. Burnt out eyes, classic. The classic. You notice that, look at that.
You know what does this?
I'm 23 years of age. Look at that.
He's laughing for.
Paul, comment supportes-tu tout ce ramdam? T'es un mec cool. On met donc un peu de poudre.
He doesn't need it.
Must be irritating.
Cela n'hérite pas un peu la peau, toutes ces retouches.
No, it's not. Okay, it's just fine.
Tu dois lui faire confiance de toute façon ou elle te crève l'œil.
How heavy do you have to?
Il faut les maquiller beaucoup.
Not really, because it's pretty natural stuff, and they already have a set look, the way they want to look. So basically, it's really how they want to project themselves, because they do have a look of their own.
With this video, we're trying to get back to the idea of just like a group actually performing a song rather than a group. And as a band of Mexicans, a group has conquered all the other things that people try to tend to do.
Autrement dit, éviter les non-sens.
Well, it's just different kinds of nonsense, really. I just wanted something that's really simple with this video, but back in the past couple of videos we've done, they've been very like narrative.
Comment ça marche?
What is it, 8:30 and you still... Yeah, I'm not too bad.
Combien d'heures?
3 hours! Mark, you probably...
Marc, tu as le job le un temps de tout le monde. Bloqué ici toute la journée pendant qu'ils font la fête.
So it gets a bit boring. It comes when you... I was wrong. You was wrong.
Yeah, no, you was wrong.
I was wrong.
Not easy.
C'est pas facile.
Because they always tell you one thing and then they want another.
You've got to be...
C'est toi le mec le plus patient.
Yeah, it tells when you like the song.
You like this song?
Tu l'aimes celle-là?
It's not good one, yeah.
You actually got the whole...
Tu as des paroles écrites là-dessus avec des repères.
You know, 45 seconds along in the song, yeah? It's like beforehand, yeah, and I know I was wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've also got to be able to...
Tu dois également savoir parler à 3 personnes à la fois.
Yeah, it helps. What you do is mark up the tape.
Yeah.
With A's, B's and C's, and they feed you what you want. And because sometimes they take from the top, well, they just take bits of it.
It was getting towards...
À cette heure avancée de la nuit, je dois dire que je suis ébloui par le résultat. Aussi, je suis allé demander aux gosses ce qu'ils en pensent. Alors Kim, ça roule? Ouais, bon, apparemment c'est toujours pas fini. Ok, je vous laisse, vous avez encore des décisions à prendre.
Caméra. We are not suspending our cameras from any kind of light. Quel projet?
Réaliser un projet comme celui-là en 3 jours, ça tient du cauchemar, non?
Definitely. Because usually we have a little bit more time, but on this one, even though we knew we were going to do the shoot, and it was all confirmed, the ideas weren't sort of finalised until sort of quite late Friday night. And until the ideas are finalised, there's not much that one can do apart from book the studio and book the crew.
Tu as dû téléphoner aux gens en pleine nuit et dire « Dites donc, vous pouvez me peindre ça de telle couleur ?»
There were a lot of phoning up at the weekend, yes. Yeah.
Tu es la directrice de production, donc responsable devant toute l'équipe, le groupe.
Basically, if something goes wrong or if anything happens at all, it lands up in my lap and has to be sorted out. From anything to sort of, being no food on the set to the director sort of running 5 or 6 hours into overtime, whatever.
Réunis-tu toujours les mêmes gens parce que tu peux leur faire confiance?
We do, yes. I mean, at the moment we've got a crew, we work with a lot because they're fantastic. I mean, they're very, very good. They work long hours and they work very hard and they work with smiles on their faces, which is important.
Comment ça s'est passé aujourd'hui?
Very, very well. I mean, much better than I expected, especially with all the equipment we've got. I expected a lot of problems and so far we're not finished yet. So far so good.
Mais il reste beaucoup à faire après le tournage.
In fact, they're going to be working flat out 18 hours every day.
Comment ça va se passer?
A lot of animation, aerial image, it probably sounds very sort of technical, and a lot of hand painting, hand colouring.
Le truc crucial, c'est le montage de l'ensemble.
Will you be in the editing? Yes, I will. Yeah. I mean, I basically sort of follow every stage of the production. I let someone else handle post-production, but at the end, I'll have to be there in case the record company don't like it, which won't happen.
Tu perds le sommeil pendant ce genre d'aventure?
Nowadays I don't so much, because I had sort of the attitude, if it works, it works, if it doesn't, it doesn't. So I must admit on this one last night, I was slightly worried, but not anymore.
Si tu devais résumer.
To sum up, I mean, I'm really, really happy the way things have gone. To be honest, we're hitting, sort of 9:45, and I don't know if you know about sort of ghosters, but if you go past the magic hour of midnight, you're into a lot of money. So between now and the next hour and a half, I'll probably be walking around with not a grin on my face, but I know the director's going to finish before midnight.
Alors, le mot de la fin.
Yeah, one word, I'd say very professional and very interesting.
Eh, ça fait plus d'un mot.
2 words. Great.
Tim, tu as presque terminé ce tournage, aidé seulement par la bière. Alors comment ça va?
How's it gone?
That's the only age, not so specific. Yeah, what was that? No, it's all been going very well. No, it's been quite a while, I think. Quite a while shoot. See the fact that I've got 2 bruised eyes. Earlier on I had 1. That's because I've been...
Tu as pu avoir tout ce que tu voulais.
Yeah, well, we haven't quite got it all yet, because I've got some other bits to do with Rob. It's just the thing, I always have to get time, you see, it's always the problem, you see. So, I think I have, well, I haven't got them all yet.
Do you ever sort of see...
Il t'arrive de voir quelque chose et de penser « Ah, merde, j'ai manqué cette prise.
I didn't get it, I should have done that.
Well, no, because I usually know, I'm sort of quite instinctive, I always know when I've got the right amount of shots, what I need, so it doesn't usually happen. I think, because I actually store everything in my head, you see, I do it sort of shot by shot, and it's all stored up there as files away, I mean, if it sort of looks untogether, it's actually there. And the thing is, I've never once got, because I always put my Walkman on as I'm driving home, and I always listen at that point and play all the shots together, you see, and never yet at any point have I actually forgotten a shot. It's as how this was going to be edited. It could be a real mess, and the editing is going to be really important. It's going to take us 2 weeks to edit this, what with various stages, because I've got to cut the black and white part of the film, I've got to cut the colour part of the film, stick them together, refilm them, stick other bits underneath, stick bits on top of it, refilm that sort of thing. So I've really got to know what I'm doing about that sort of thing.
Eh bien, on te dit bonne chance, Steve.
A word.
Quels seraient tes qualificatifs pour décrire cette journée?
What word would you use for... Please show me yours.
Moi, j'irais embrouillé.
I'd say meaningful.
Les effets spéciaux mis au point, les animations peaufinées et le montage abouti, la copie GLO 163 In Between Days de The Cure nous est enfin parvenue. Un must sur Téléfilm.